Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you to delete call history inside your Snapchat app. This works for both Android and iOS device users. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, the first thing you need to do is open up Snapchat on your phone. Click onto the conversation that you want to delete. So for this example, I'm going to use Prince Charming, which is here. And if I scroll up, you can see here there's a call history, so missed phone call. And now to delete missed phone calls or phone logs on here, all you need to do is simply tap and hold and then click on the delete button. And what is delete chat? When you delete a message, we'll attempt to remove it from our servers and your friend devices. This might not always work, like if someone has a bad internet connection or old version of Snapchat. So just click on OK, and then I'm going to click on delete chat, and there you go, that call history has been deleted. So that's what you need to do, guys. Just click onto that person and then click onto the call logs, tap and hold, and then just simply delete it. So yeah, that's the end of this video, guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.